Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. As you get older, hair will start growing in places it didn't used to grow. It's unavoidable. Even though it's quite common in both sexes, this unwanted facial hair is a great inconvenience for women because it directly affects their confidence. But why does this facial hair appear? If your mother, aunt, or grandmother has suffered from excessive facial hair before, then it's probably genetic. If the hair seemed to grow overnight, the cause might be hormonal. Certain hormonal disturbances, such as polycystic ovaries or hirsutism, might be to blame. Hirsutism is the appearance of thick, dark hair on your face, cheeks, chin, and upper lip, chest, back, stomach, and bottom, due to excessive male hormones in the hair follicle. If you suffer from this problem, we have a great natural recipe that will get rid of those hairs in no time. Here is how to make it. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of powdered turmeric, water. Instructions: mix the baking soda and turmeric in a small bowl. Add just enough water to form a paste. Apply the paste to the desired areas. Wait a few minutes for the paste to dry on your skin. Once it's dry, rub it all over your skin with your fingers. Finalize the treatment by washing your face with your favorite soap in order to get rid of the turmeric's characteristic tint, and apply some moisturizer. If you have naturally dry skin, this recipe is not right for you, since it tends to dry your skin out even more. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.